Let's learn and grow. H. H is for honeybee. Let's make it. We should also make some flowers. It's already looking cute, but let's also color it. Let's start with yellow. Now, let's use brown. This honeybee is sweet, but we need to add a stinger too. Light blue in the wings. Let's color light green in the leaves. Violet and pink in the flowers. Yellow in the center. Black for a little darker shades. Now let's blend it. The vibrant colors made it really pop. It's cuter than I thought. Thank you for watching. For more, check the links in description. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.